Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to boost Wi-Fi speed without upgrading your internet plan. So what gonna do, you will be just search in the bar like Ethernet. So you will be just tapping at this Ethernet settings. So here you will see is the right side is the change adapter option. So I will just tap on it simply. So here you will just check that your Wi-Fi is connected with this device. So you will just right click and you will be just move in these properties. So when you just get in, you will just simply just tab on this configure. I will just tab on it and you will be just move in advanced settings and make sure you will be on this 802.11 ABG wireless mode, and from the value is the last. So you will choose the 6 value dual band 802.11 ABG. So you will just tap on it simply OK. So in this way you will just have to boost Wi-Fi speed without upgrading your internet plan. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.